Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Pup. All right, today what we're gonna be cooking, we're gonna be making jalapeno poppers. All right, very simple, very easy recipe, but I'm not gonna cook them immediately. I'm gonna freeze them for a later date. All right, just like when you go to a supermarket frozen food section and you buy the package of frozen hors d'oeuvres or whatever, same principle. All right, so without further ado, let me get y'all guys a little bit. All right, what do we have here? I got an 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese here. I got 1 cup of shredded cheese. I got a half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I have 10 jalapeno peppers. These are nice size. I got these from this new supermarket called Meat Farms, and their produce is out of this world. Just in general, the place is out of the world. I mean, with the fresh vegetables. Forget Walmart. Walmart ain't got nothing on them, believe me. All right? So if you have a meat farm in your area, go, because you'll definitely enjoy it if you like cooking with fresh vegetables. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get the filling made first. Very simple to make. All right. So I did put my cream cheese in the microwave for about a minute or so to get it nice and melted and creamy. All right. Set that to the side. Now, that nice and mixed up. Now, like I said, I'm gonna add my cheese to it. Out of the way. Get that a nice good toss and a mix here. All right. All right, get that nice and mixed up. Now I'm gonna add some pepper to it, the salt, and the onion powder. All the information will be in the description of the video. If you decide to make, oh man, that smells good. When that onion powder hit that cream cheese. All right, and basically, that's it. You can double up this recipe if you wanted to do more jalapenos, go right ahead. All right, so what I'm gonna do with this now, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and I'm gonna start preparing the jalapeno peppers, all right? So y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. All right, I wanna sweeten it up a little bit. I decided to add some fired roasted red peppers. They're kind of sweet, all right? But these go a long way, as you can see. They're basically bell peppers pickled, all right? So, I'll just cut it in strips. I'm not using it all. Well, let's see how much that is there. Let's go with 1/4 cup. Let's go with 1/4 cup. Yes. We'll go with 1/4 cup. That'll work for me. Might not work for you, but it worked for me. But this is sweet, basically. Add that to the pot. And I'm gonna put these back. All right. Get out of the way. Let me get this cleaned up here. All right. That out of the way. And let's give it a nice good mix. Oh, I forgot to mention one more thing. All right, but we'll mention at the end. You'll see. There you go. All right, we're gonna set that to the side. Okay. Where's my spoon? I thought I had a spoon here. Oh, the spoon's in the mix there. I'm gonna have to get another spoon. Get 2 sizes. Now for the jalapenos, I got a bag here because I want to get the seeds in here. And what I want to do, I'm going to take that jalapeno and I want to cut it right down the center. Voila. I want to keep the stems on for basically presentation. Now I got my bag here. I want to get rid of the ribs. I need to get rid of the ribs. So just use a small spoon and pull these ribs out. All right, you clean it up. All right, that's one down. I'll do one more right here and I'll finish the rest. All right. There we go. Nicely done. If you want to leave some seeds in, you can go right ahead for heat. All right, if you choose to. All right, so that's all it is to preparing these jalapenos and removing the seeds. All right, so I'm gonna be finishing up these, and y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. All right, let's start filling these jalapeno poppers. I am using a teaspoon, okay? So all I'm using is a teaspoon to get them stuck in it. You don't want to overfill them. Do not want to overfill. All right, we got that there. Some of them might take a little less. All right. So, I'm not going to do them all right now on camera, but I'm going to show you the next step, what I'm going to do. So let me just move these over. Get these moved over. And I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. Now, you can cook them like this, or let me get a paper towel here. You can use bacon. People like to wrap them in bacon. Well, I'm not. I'm going to do a little fancier thing today. I got it. I'm going to use it. I have some prosciutto, okay? And prosciutto is a ham, an Italian ham, but it's cut real thin, and I'll show you how thin it's cut. I mean, real thin. I'm gonna have to unfold it here. Give me a minute. Because when they cut it, they have to layer it in papers. And I will give you an idea how thin this prosciutto is. There it is. This is an Italian ham, and it's cut real thin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna tear it. And I'm gonna wrap it again. And there you go. All right, I'll do one more. Take it and you wrap it. Okay, I need another small piece. If I can peel it back. But bacon would be easier to use. Take it here and wrap it. And there you go. Jalapeno poppers with prosciutto or bacon, okay? But when you cook these, you're gonna cook these for at least 400 degrees and unfrozen about 20 to 25 minutes. Frozen, I would go with 30 minutes to 45 minutes frozen, all right? So after I finish these up, these are gonna go into the deep freeze And then after it goes into the deep freeze, I'm gonna bag them for future use. All right, so I hope y'all like this video. It just gives you a heads up because this is delicious. And prosciutto ham is very, very good. Very, very good. And tell your friends and family about cooking with Chef Pup. And I'll definitely see y'all guys on the next video. Bye.